Malo MCAs pradek ma kaunti ma Kericho wuok oko kendo lieko ni senetas nochut dhogi bor mondo mi ogo ombulu mar duoko e apisi gavana ma kaunti no Eric Mutahi e kinde bura mar thiche oko mane nitiere senet juma mokalo. MCAs go yango ni gichano chenro machielo mar thicho oko gavana Mutahi ka bende gisiemo seneta ma Bomet Hilary kuom donjore e siasa ma kaunti ma Kericho. MCAs go oseo senetas kuom reso Mutahi kata odoko nomenda maromo siling milion 185 nolal e bwo telo mare.
Ndalo ang'wen bang' senetas reso yie mare kuom nimo, MCAs pradek mag kaunti ma Kericho sani wacho ni senetas ne ochul pesa mar reso gavana margi Eric Mutahi.
When we took the governor for Kericho County to the Senate, the senator for Bomet, aided by a North Rift leader, was given money to buy senators so that the Kericho governor is not impeached. We were the Senate. We saw with our eyes Senator Bomet calling a senator to a room there, at the room, at the corner there. I saw 24 senators being called to a room. They were given some envelopes, big ones. I don't know what was contained in those envelopes, but one senator was going in and coming out.
By all standards, we sat in the entire time that you are in the Senate. What we saw, in fact, I am now convinced in future, if there will be a referendum in future, I will be one of the proponents that will be championing the Senate of Kenya to be, disbanded, because the Senate of Kenya is supposed to protect the interest of the people, supposed to protect devolution, but they are hating, corruption.
Kagetua kod jofwamb weche boma Kericho, MCAs go oparo ne Eric Mutahi ni lweny manie kindgi pod dhi nyime ka gilando chenro machielo mar thiche oko kuom thuolo mar adek e bwo higni 2.
We have never gone wrong in this game, and we have a very good roadmap on how to deal with him. We will deal with him on personal grounds. We will deal with him on constitutionality. We will deal with him in the regulation that will protect the resources of this resident, and we will deal with these stuff.
E kinde bura mar gole ya pis chieng' tich abich juma mokalo, senators 23 ne ogoyo ombulu mar wito oko bura makamano e kinde ma senators 17 to ne ogoyo ombulu mar chung' kod od bura ma Kericho matero Gavana Eric Mutahi dala.
To the senators who supported us, the 16 of you, led by Boni Alwale, who moved the motion, supported by Ledama, and voted by the other 14 senators, we say echo.
MCAs go bende osiemo senator mar kaunti ma Bomet Hilary kuom donjore kod siasa mag kaunti ma Kericho ka ginyise mondo tiek midhiero mokwako kaunti mare ma Bomet mokwongo.
Senator for Bomet, your governor is in custody now because of corruption. Don't be a man of double standards. On the other hand, you are fighting corruption in your own county. In this county, you are repeating corruption in this county. Basically because governor is your clansman. Where's the house is bwana?
Mabiro bang duol mochung'ne kedo gi mibadhi EACC mako gavana mar kaunti ma Bomet Dr. Hilary Barchok e weche mag mibadhi e chak jumani. Mutahi ne otonye lak nyang' nyadiriyo bang' senators yudo ne onge kwan madwarore mag MCAs e goyo ombulu mar thicho oko gavana e kinde mane MCAs 33 mag kaunti ma Kericho ne ogoyo ombulu mar tere dala. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV.